Some days begin with a feeling of weight. The morning light seems dim, the to-do list feels long. You might feel that big changes are needed to shift your mood. But this is often not the case. The path to a better day is not paved with grand gestures. It is built with small, simple actions. These actions are so tiny, they almost seem insignificant. Yet, their power lies in their simplicity. They are easy to start. They are easy to complete. They require very little motivation. This is the secret. When you feel low, you do not need a monumental task. You need a small, manageable win. Think of your day as a series of moments. Each moment is an opportunity. It is a chance to make a tiny choice that improves the next moment. You do not need to overhaul your entire routine. You do not need to find hours of free time. All you need is a few minutes. 5 minutes or even 1 can be enough to change the trajectory of your afternoon. These small shifts are like a rudder on a large ship. A tiny movement can alter the course over time. Today, we will explore 5 such tiny moves. Each one is designed to be effortlessly integrated into your day, no matter how busy or heavy it feels. The goal is not perfection. The goal is simply to begin. You can start right now, in this very moment. You can choose one small action and see it through. The feeling of accomplishment, no matter how small, is a powerful motivator. It creates a positive feedback loop. One small win makes the next small win easier. This is how momentum is built. It starts not with a leap, but with a single step. Let us take that first step together, right now. The following sections will guide you through 5 tiny habits that can bring a little more light into your day, 1 minute at a time. Each of these moves targets a different aspect of your well-being. Physical environment, your body's needs, your mental state, your social connections. By touching on each of these areas, you create a more holistic sense of improvement. You are not just cleaning your desk, you are clearing your mind. You are not just drinking water. The first tiny move is to step outside for 10 minutes. This is a simple, yet profound, action. Your body and brain are deeply connected to the natural world. Exposure to natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock. This helps you feel more awake during the day and sleep better at night. The fresh air provides a change of scenery and a break from stale indoor environments. This small act of stepping out is a reset button for your system. It signals a shift, a brief pause from demands. You do not need a hike or a park. The key is simply crossing the threshold from indoors to outdoors. Pay attention to small details. Notice the clouds, the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Be present. The second tiny move is to complete one small task you have been avoiding. Procrastination hums in the background and drains mental energy. Do not tackle the whole project. Break it down into a ridiculously small action you can finish in under 5 minutes. The power comes from completion. Finishing even a tiny task delivers satisfying momentum. Set a 5 or 10 minute timer. Work the one thing. When it rings, you are done. Celebrate the win. The third tiny move is to drink 1 full glass of water. It is simple, yet its benefits are significant. Your brain is composed of about 75% water. Even mild dehydration affects mood, energy, and concentration. Consciously hydrate. It is a small act of self-care with immediate payoff. Keep water nearby. Drink mindfully, not distracted. Pour the glass. Take a moment. Drink slowly. Notice the cool liquid and check in with yourself. Instead of a sugary drink or another coffee, try water first. It can give clarity and lift without the crash. The fourth tiny move is to message someone you care about. Humans are social creatures. Feeling isolated is easy, even in crowds. Take 1 minute to reach out. It strengthens bonds and reminds you you are part of a community. A short positive message helps both of you. Send. Thinking of you. Hope you are having a good day. Create a small point of connection. It takes less than a minute. Effects can last hours. Even without a reply, reaching out is positive. The fifth tiny move is to set a 5-minute timer and clear one small surface. Your external environment often reflects your internal state. A cluttered space makes the mind feel cluttered. Cleaning an entire room is daunting, so we do nothing. This move bypasses overwhelm by focusing on one manageable area. Pick one surface. Set the timer for just 5 minutes. This time constraint is crucial. For 5 minutes, focus only here. Throw away trash. Put things where they belong. Wipe it down if you have time. The goal is progress, not perfection. When the timer rings, stop. Honor the limit. Take a moment to appreciate what you did. Look at the clear surface. Notice how it feels. This small patch of order impacts your mental state. It gives control and accomplishment. Your mind has a calmer place to rest its gaze. Visual calm becomes internal calm. The visible, immediate reward makes you likely to repeat it. Either way, you took a concrete step to improve your surroundings and your state of mind. These 5 moves are powerful on their own. Stepping outside, completing a tiny task, drinking water, messaging someone, clearing a surface. Combined, they form a simple system to improve your day. Each action addresses a core human need for nature, for progress, for physical well-being, for connection, for order. They do not require a massive investment of time or energy. Perfect for days when you feel overwhelmed or low. The key is to start small and build consistency. Do not try to be perfect. Be a little better than yesterday. Have a simple plan. Introduce one new move each day for a week. Day 1. When you feel a dip, step outside for 10 minutes. Day 2. Add one tiny task you have been avoiding. Day 3. Drink one full glass of water at midday. Day 4. Send a quick, kind message to someone. Day 5. Clear one small surface for 5 minutes. Day 6. Combine 2 of your favorite actions. Day 7. Try all 5. See them as small gifts to yourself, not chores. At week's end, reflect. What helped most? Which were easiest? Use that to build a routine that works for you. The goal is not more stress,